Go!
Okay, this is gun versus sword. Okay. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! The wooden sword did nothing! Oh man! Oh, get off!
You were supposed to say, I'm not ready.
So, wooden sword versus BB gun didn't work because I wasn't ready! But now, I'm trying it with a real sword! Oh god! Oh my god! Alright, before you guys start shooting, I just want to point out. Ow! Hey, wait! You missed! Wait! Okay, so, katana sword and wooden sword didn't work! So I'm gonna come out! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's go.
Okay, you can stop! You can stop! Stop it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, my back! Stupid Keyblade! Oh my god! Why did Sora win? Why did Sora win? Ow, my butthole!
Okay, stop.
So anyway, the last attempt was my Keyblade. This is my custom! This is my custom! Ah! 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 Dude, quit shooting! Oh, jeez. Alright, so this is the buster. Ah! No! Yeah, what? No! Oh my god, you got me in the hole! Oh my god! Oh, oh my god! Oh my god! Please don't! Ah, but no! No, stop! No! No, don't do that! Okay, so I should get out of the picture! Okay, stop. Okay, so this is, what are we again? What YouTube account are we again?
Yes, Monster Maniacs.
We're Monster Pick. Oh,
hello.
what are you doing? Okay, so this is my wooden practice sword. I expect a lot of, I don't know. I expect some. Ah! Oh my God! You weren't supposed to shoot. Okay. So that didn't work out well. But it was a practice sword, and here's my real katana.
Ow! Ow! Oh my god!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, so that didn't work out. Ah! Okay, so the katana thing didn't work out. Ow, again. So I'm hoping that my broadsword will work. Oh God, Paolo, don't shoot me! Okay, roll clip.
Mom! Where's the toothpaste? It's in the bathroom!
This is not my bathroom!
My bunions are burning!
Why do you need toothpaste for your bunions?
Ow!
Dude, you guys shot at my busted blader. I mean, cut. Hi, I'm sorry. I don't have an anger issue. I just have a problem with being shot. I mean, come on. Really. I keep telling you people, this is not the bathroom! Get out! Hey, YouTube does not show nudity. I'm sorry.
Supposed to make it real.
Okay, so, anyways, that didn't work out, so I'm just gonna make one out of real wood, which I did, and you're not a girl, get out!